Hello, scholars, and welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered how researchers study thousands of people across a vast country without interviewing everyone? Well, multi-stage sampling is the strategy. Let's break it down. Multi-stage sampling is a more complex version of cluster sampling. But instead of selecting entire clusters, we go deeper, sampling within clusters in stages. This method is perfect when it's not practical to sample the entire population at once. Multi-stage sampling can be either probability or non-probability sampling, depending on the methods used at each stage of the sampling process. For the purpose of external validity and generalizability of research findings, it is generally best to use probability sampling methods throughout all stages of multi-stage sampling. This allows for stronger statistical inferences about the target population. Multi-stage sampling is resource efficient, practical, contextually relevant, and scalable. Also, stratification at multiple levels ensures adequate representation of important subgroups, improving the validity. Imagine you're studying job satisfaction and burnout among healthcare workers across Nigeria's public tertiary hospitals. That's over 50 large hospitals and 200 million people. Interviewing every healthcare worker? Not happening. Multi-stage sampling saves the day by slicing this huge population into smaller, manageable parts. Let's walk through it step by step. Stage 1, stratify by geopolitical zone. Nigeria has 6 geopolitical zones. Each is unique in culture, healthcare systems, and economy. To make sure our sample reflects the whole country, we stratify, grouping by zone. Then we randomly select 4 zones. Let's say North Central, Northwest, Southeast, and Southwest. This step ensures regional representation right from the start. Stage 2, select tertiary hospitals within each zone. Each zone has several teaching hospitals. We randomly pick 2 to 3 per zone based on population size. For example, University of Abuja Teaching Hospital in North Central, Lagos University Teaching Hospital in Southwest. By the end of this stage, we have 9 hospitals that represent different parts of the country. Stage 3, choose departments using probability proportional to size, PPS. Now we go inside the hospitals. Departments vary in size, so we don't just pick randomly. Instead, we use PPS sampling. Bigger departments have a higher chance of being picked. From each hospital, we choose 4 departments. Examples: internal medicine, surgery, pediatrics, OBGYN. This keeps our sample balanced. Stage 4, random sampling of healthcare workers by cadre. In each selected department, we stratify again by job role: consultants, residents, house officers, nurses, and allied health professionals. We sample proportionally, like 5 consultants, 10 residents, 5 house officers, 15 nurses, 5 allied professionals. That's 40 workers per department. Multiply that by 4 departments and 9 hospitals, and you get about 1,440 healthcare workers, a powerful, diverse sample. So, why go through all this effort? Because multi-stage sampling is efficient, saves time, cost, and energy. Representative, captures all key groups. Scalable, works for national or organizational research. Valid, improves generalizability when probability methods are used throughout. Whether you're researching healthcare, education, or business, multi-stage sampling helps you reach big populations in a scientifically sound way. Want more real-world examples? Check the video description. We've attached links to 10 peer-reviewed studies that used multi-stage sampling. Like, share, and subscribe for more research methods made simple. Thanks for watching.